Ogie at Regine, ipinakita na sa publiko ang magiging itsura ng kanilang baby boy. After revealing last week that they will be having a baby boy, inilabas na finally ng Kapuso Power Couple ang 4D image ng sanggol na nasa sinapupunan ni Regine, whom they named Nathaniel James Alcacid. Buong pagmamalaki itong ipinakita ni Ogie sa kanyang birthday concert last Friday, where Regine made a rare public appearance.
Yan po yung anak namin. You know, this is new technology. It's called 4D. Mahal yan, mahal yan. 4,500 yan.
Excited akong makita yun eh. So, mukha naman na-excite yung mga tao. So, that's, Regine and I are talagang, we feel very blessed dahil sa baby, the baby is very healthy. This baby, I cannot stop talking about my baby because he's really a gift, a really great gift from God. So,
kasabay nito, nagkwento rin si Ogie ng latest tungkol sa kondisyon ng songbird ngayong 2 buwan na lang bago ito manganak.
she's good. Nakita nyo naman, napaka-excited niya. And I'm very, very excited also. So, sabi ko nga lang nakita ng buntis na sobrang masaya. Yung tawa niya, multiply mo ng 1 million times. She's radiant, she's glowing. You know, so, love you, honey.
And you're glowing also.
Thank you.
Yes, happy birthday, Ogie. I love you.